How to create a reminder in your Outlook. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily and simply create a reminder in your Outlook. So the first thing that you will need to do is open up your Outlook application, and once you're inside your Outlook application, simply click onto this calendar tab over the left hand side. Once you have clicked onto the calendar tab, you can see that the calendar has opened right here. Now from here, choose that particular date on which you want to create a reminder. So for example, let's say I want to create a reminder on this particular date. So simply click over to the date and you can see this option that appears right here. So the date is July 29th, and in order to create a reminder, you can add a title using this particular option. From here you can add a title. Let's say I will add a title like this, and then from here if you want to invite attendees you can do the same, and from here you can determine the time of the particular event. If it is an all day event, you can click onto this all day button, and in order to set a reminder you have this tab right here at the top. So it says day before at 5 p.m. So that means it will send you a notification or it will remind you a day before at 5 p.m. If you want to change it, simply click onto this drop down arrow, and from here you have different options like not to set a reminder at time of event, day of event at 9 a.m., or also the option of reminding you a week before. And you can also add an email reminder by clicking onto this button. So let's say I want to choose this option, that is day of event at 9 a.m. So simply click onto this, and once this will be done, you can click onto this save button right here, and now you can see that a reminder will be added for this particular date like this, as here you can see. So that's how easily you can create a reminder in Outlook. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.